See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
When you go 4 days, come if you drag Garawa. Say you think your superpower is to drag. I know how to drag online. You comment, I'll go and comment and drag. Any cool, Emi gon, super dragger. Emi gon, super dragger. Emi gon, super dragger.
Omo guys, wahala dey o. Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. This is SW Extended, and guys, on today's video we are having Kuti. It's been even 2 to 3 days. This Egbon no one leave wizkid. He no one leave wizkid FC alone. He came online today, made another video calling out wizkid and wizkid FC again, despite the fact that after calling out wizkid for the first time, wizkid completely ignored this guy. He did not say anything. He can still come out today, come call out wizkid and wizkid fans again. At this point there, if wizkid talk down, they go say wizkid is too insultive, say he no get respect. But this particular guy has been saying a whole lot of things, about wizkid and the whole Fela saga. I'm going to leave you guys to watch the full video so you can hear everything that Kuti had to say today to wizkid FC and their fave, which is wizkid. But before I do that, this is a channel where we'll give you updates on everything trending, everything going on. So if you know you want to be the first to get notified when we drop updates on this channel, make sure to use the red subscribe button, make sure to like the video, and also turn on the bell so you won't miss out when we drop new updates on this channel. So here is the full video, and tell me what you think in the comment section.
If I see DJ tunes now, the only thing I go tell them be say, Una, they enjoy this insult of Fela because I've not heard you or your artist come out and say, stop insulting Fela in my name. Because they enjoy, and me and I no go hug. I no go, but I greet them because normally me everybody they cool. But at this point, I don't say yes. If I say they feel the vibe, say, oh, Mo. At the day now, they are comparing us to Fela. We say if we don't reach there. So Mo na fucking keep quiet because that's the only reason. I don't go see DJ tunes. Nothing that they see. Go see anybody in Nigeria to only number me, lower. And I know me say phone number me, not bury. Go ask for this Lagos. If you enter Wahala with me, nobody to beg. Nobody will if you call, say, go talk to Sheun. That's why everybody, see, go say, the only people that can talk to me are my blood. My blood, inside their body. Mo ni chairman. Mo logger. Nobody to call to do any ama fatoni. That's why nobody they enter around with me. Me, I tell you now, because they know say, last, I don't find anybody trouble. So if I enter around with you, if we drag up, now you must when you go 4 days, come if you drag Garawa. Say you think your superpower is to drag. I know how to drag online. You comment, I'll go and comment and drag. Any cool, Emi gon, super dragger. Emi gon, super dragger. Emi gon, super dragger. We are not a jag. We are wizkid FC. We are wizkid FC. We are the clowns of Nigeria. We are the stupid children of Nigeria. We don't send anybody. Imagine what they are proud of. We don't send anybody. We are disrespected to anybody. We can do anything for wizkid. We are the way. Look at these dumbass things you are proud of. What is suffering telling me 5 years ago. But that time, in fact, let me officially resign as one for mini post con to first set one for mini post con. I resign. And in that post, one for mini post con. Let me first of all officially resign. In that wizkid FC post you give me. I advise you now. Say as wizkid FC, do something great. I'm not plenty so. More na donate 1,000. So more na reach 1 million. 1,000 times 1 million is 1 billion. Mona build school for Surulere. For an area. A Baba school there. wizkid FC school. Free. 1 billion. My own school here. 1,000. Nicolerin that donate. All wizkid FC need to do is donate 1,000. Eto 1 million. That's 1 billion. Because she schools is Surulere. ní orúkọ wizkid lè ṣe yẹn. You cannot do that. Ọgbọ́n yín ò sí ní positive orientation. Dragging yẹn ni agbára yín. Disrespect ni agbára yín. Láti máa ṣe àṣemáṣe ni agbára yín. You cannot come together and build something positive in the name of the young man. You can't. Eto 1 million. Now be 1 million. When I donate 1,000. All 1 million of you. That's 1 billion. I bet anyone 1,000 ni. wizkid FC. Una not get 1,000. Shey una no get 1,000 wizkid FC. Clown FC. Anyone 1,000 ni. Donate 1,000. 1 million of you. That's a billion. Oh, in his name, we will make him great. You not by that action, you are not putting him on the same pedestal. You don't start now action to become like Fela. You can't if they talk about which kid where they beat school for them for school, where they educate school related children for free. Ama mo pe ṣe nǹkan pé ẹ lọ́gbọ́n lórí, but dummy ni gbogbo yín, dummy. All you can do for him is to insult people. Imagine your use. Imagine what you are doing. Imagine your use in life is to go online and insult people for wizkid. Who raised you? I want to give your daddies one slap. No, this is failure of parenting. High failure of parenting. That you raise children that are okay with going online to insult people for somebody. Is a big failure in parenting. See on ground. Weary. I won't. I say Vector, you know me and Vector do for vanity. Vector say Sheon. We just go for boy the money. I just collect 120,000 US dollar based on my papa name. Just say I be Fela pikin. Not be my work where they do. Moko wani. What to fún mi ní 120K away from your my papa don't die 28 years ago now. Be 29 years it will be this year. This is the 29th year when my papa don't die. From the grave, what to fún mi ní 120,000 USD. Inheritance here, something just mature for you. Wow! So you are buying the shebe for you. How many of your father feel send una from the grave 29 years later? 120,000 USD. Una call one of na call this and go just they open una mouth. They talk about that kind man. May I can't live with that. Go put that there for 3 days. Go the daft. But by to accomplish, una no fit know the essence of that kind papa because none of una papa don't accomplish. So you don't know what it means to be the child of somebody who accomplish something and what that kind of thing mean to that family because you know they occur for una family. Even the so-called families, all of them they look up to say well, they no accomplish. The thief different from accomplish. And this will not be even say money matter. You hear me? This will not be money matter. Accomplish greatness. True greatness. True greatness. We be say, Enyike. Una come day for una face me, I face you with no light. You will never chop because you just borrow data. Since say na Fela you won't take big teeth. Say we go silent for una. Kò ní dá fún bàbá ya. Wo? Gbogbo mo le ní nǹkan ṣe bàbá yín ò accomplish rí. Your fathers have never accomplished anything in their life. That's